Howdy folks, we got a little exploratory day today with Phelps. We're on some new water in an undisclosed location. We got rumors that there's some pike in here, so we're gonna be throwing some big meaty flies. Hopefully see if we can't find some toothy critters in here, and if not, there's some nice rainbows and trout, so hopefully have some good bycatches as well.
So right now we're changing gears from pike to trout. We weren't really catching pike. We found the right kind of water that we were looking for, some slower pools, and we plugged away for a bit and didn't really have any action. But there's some nice betas hatching. I think some trout are gonna be rising here soon. Cody spotted one behind us, so he's gonna toss on a dry and see if we can get him. Be pretty sick.
Just out here hunting heads, boys. It's friggin' big game hunting out here. What you know about that?
So we just happened to stumble upon some carp hanging out where the spring is dumping into the river. They're just hanging right here. I'm gonna see if I can throw a few casts and hook one of these things.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Yeah.